Oh, hello again. I finished a little Wildcat, the Airfix 172nd one. Thoroughly enjoyed building it actually. What else? I didn't bother finish filming the last bits of construction. All I had to do was put on the propeller and the wheels, basically, the pitot tube and the aerial support. There was one on the tail which I said at the beginning of the video was going to get broken off, and of course sure enough it did. Right at the last knockings it was hanging off, and I touched it and the carpet monster ate it basically. So I added the aerial wire with a bit of easy line, something I've not done before. Added the canopy as well and the windscreen, and given it a coat of satin varnish which went on quite well. The underside, pitot tube's a little bit crooked. I gave it a panel line wash using some of Arrow by Mig's panel line wash, just a black one. Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a good little build, a few little bits, there's a little tiny bit of shine there for some reason, don't know why. Maybe a little bit of glue on my fingers or something. But yeah, went together really well. Quite pleased with it. Obviously there's a lot better modelers out there than me. Anyway, so I guess next it's get back on with the Junkers D1, which won't be for a little while now. Ended up being busier than I thought I was going to be this weekend, and I actually finished this Saturday morning. Was busy Saturday afternoon, and I found out there was a model showdown at the Bottom Down Aviation Collection at Old Sarum Airfield near Salisbury, so I went down to that for a few hours yesterday. Can't believe they were doing tandem skydive jumps there as a company there, and how busy they were. Absolutely incredibly busy. The plane would land, load up, take off, climb up to 10,000 feet, drop some people. Well, you could jump from 7,000 feet, 10,000 or 15,000 feet, which is the highest you can jump in the UK. I looked it up on their website, and my word, don't they charge for it? It's about 350 quid for the maximum altitude, but you do get a whole minute of free fall for that. But yeah, then you could see the plane come down. It was I can't remember what it was. It was a Cessna of some description, a turboprop, and he did come down at a fair old rate of knots and touched down. It was as I said, a turboprop, slammed the pitch into reverse, taxied over, loaded the next one up, and off he went again. But pilot was certainly logging up some hours anyway. But everyone was coming down, seemed to be having a great time. But not for me, I don't think. Rule 1, never leave a serviceable plane. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this little build with me, and I'll catch you next time when I do a bit on the Junkers D1. I keep wanting to say D3, but it's a D1. So anyway guys, take care, happy modelling, or whatever you're doing. Take care, bye.